Hi there, I'm Ruth Mackor, Professor of Professional Ethics at the University of Groningen. I organize a workshop in English on the ethical implications of the use of new technologies in legal fact-finding. Yvonne McDermott-Rees, Swansea University, will examine the impact of deepfakes on trust in user-generated evidence of human rights violations. Johannes Bijlsma, Utrecht University and University of Groningen, will discuss the move from guilt-based to risk-based criminal law and the use of new techniques in the predictions of dangerousness. Sina Faisal, University of Oxford, will focus on the use of violence risk assessment instruments. Bill Thompson, University of California, Irvine, will discuss the choices that forensic experts must make when they use statistical algorithms to analyze and interpret complex forms of physical evidence, such as DNA mixtures. Silvia Bossa, University of Venice and University of Lausanne, will guide us through issues in probability theory and statistics that underlie all these new techniques. Looking forward to meeting you at the Michele Taruffo Girona Evidence Week in June 2025.